There are over 15.9 million trucks. There are over 14,000 accidents a year relating to truck and car collisions, with over 400 fatalities. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, 90% of these are the result of driver error by speeding, distracted driving, driver fatigue, improper maintenance of the vehicles, overweight vehicles, inadequate training, and/or unsafe lane changes. The U.S. government has passed the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act. It's contained within Title 49 of the Code of Federal Regulations. It governs things such as the maximum hours of operation per day, the maximum speed allowed by a truck, its maximum height and width, and the California Vehicle Code has similar provisions. Additionally, under California law, trucks aren't allowed to go through many heavily populated downtown areas. One thing that is common is that on a highway, trucks must drive in the rightmost lane unless it's blocked or they're executing a passing maneuver. California limits trucking speed to 55 miles per hour. California law requires that the drivers of trucks, as well as the owners, have an obligation to inspect them whenever they're being used. A truck that's driven in the morning, that someone goes to lunch for, should be inspected again before it's taken out in the afternoon. These inspections are supposed to be very thorough, looking at things such as lights, brakes, tire wear, tire pressure, vehicle connections. All of this is designed to try to decrease the risk to motorists from trucks that are not in good repair. Drivers must have a special commercial license to drive any commercial big rig. In the numerous trucking cases that I've handled, I've developed a tremendous body of knowledge regarding the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act and the California Vehicle Code. Given the size and weight of trucks, these are often the most egregious and grave injuries that we find. A car just doesn't stand a chance against a truck. When we're contacted, my firm immediately begins getting in investigation mode. We go out to the scene, we'll send up drones, we'll look for brake marks and damage to property, we'll go out and photograph the truck and search the truck to see if it's in violation of the vehicle code requirements pertaining to brakes, tires, lights, etc. When looking for a lawyer to handle a trucking case, make sure you get one who has experience and one who has the knowledge about the operation of trucks, the training of truck drivers, how they're inspected, and when they should be placed out of service. My firm uses a stable of experts in the area of trucking. People who have suffered injuries are entitled to recover compensation. That comes in the form of economic loss, which can be medical expense, lost wages, and the need for assistance around the house. It also comes in the form of non-economic damages for pain, suffering, emotional distress, fear, anxiety, humiliation, disability. In the worst cases where someone has died because of a trucking collision, the heirs of that person, the husband, the wife, the children, the parents, or others dependent upon that person financially, have the right to bring a wrongful death action. It includes the loss of joy, love, relationship, society, care, companionship, and guidance. So there may be more than one case that comes out of a fatal trucking accident. If you or someone you know has suffered because of a trucking accident, reach out to my firm, the Dolan Law Firm. We'll do everything we can to help you through this most difficult time. DolanLawFirm.com.